Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to simplify your business finances and make tracking expenses effortless, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your credit cards to QuickBooks Online in 2025, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect your cards and keep your transactions syncing automatically, so your bookkeeping stays smooth. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. If you don't have one yet, set it up beforehand because this process works only with an active subscription. Once you're in, head over to the banking transaction section in the left-hand menu. You'll see an option to add account or connect account. Click it and a new window will pop up where you can search for your credit card provider. QuickBooks supports most major banks and card issuers, including American Express, Chase, and Bank of America. Select your provider, then sign in with your online banking credentials. Don't worry, this connection is secure and encrypted. Next, choose which credit card accounts you want to link and set the date range for importing transactions. For first-time connections, you can usually import up to 90 days of past transactions. After that, QuickBooks will automatically sync your new transactions moving forward. Once your transactions are imported, review and categorize them. You can mark them as expenses, income, or match them with existing invoices. This keeps your books accurate and up to date without any extra effort. And just like that, your credit card is linked to QuickBooks Online. Every time you make a purchase, it will flow directly into your account for easy reconciliation. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more step-by-step business finance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.